Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and make sure your browser allows extensions. Once done, sign into your Roblox account so Ropro can detect it. Next, open the browser store, search Ropro, and click Add or Install. You'll see a brief permission prompt. Accept it to proceed. This initial step links the extension to your browser and account, so make sure to allow the requested permissions before moving to configuration. You now configure Ropro, click the extension icon and open Options. Enable the features you want: enhanced UI, server browser, trade filters, toggling each on. These determine how much data Ropro injects into Roblox pages. Next, grant site access specifically for Roblox. COM and players. Roblox. COM so the extension can read and modify page content. Once done, refresh any open Roblox tabs. If you plan to use account to finish, reload Roblox and confirm the Ropro toolbar and extra menus appear. You should see new buttons for trades, profiles, and server tools. Open a profile to verify data overlays. Tweak themes, privacy filters, and notifications to match your preferences. If things don't appear, disable other extensions one by one to check for conflicts, clear browser cache, and reload. If problems persist, reinstall Ropro and repeat permissions. This usually fixes lingering registration or content script issues, so you can resume normal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.